I'm back with another tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to wear a mini as a vest. These make such fun, great accessories. So this is similar to the princess wrap, except for you're leaving it open. You're going to have an open vest. This is just one way to style it. There are a few. I have sized it down for this particular tutorial. You don't have to. It will depend. I would say if you're on the bottom half or definitely bottom third of the size range of your true to size that you might want to size down. It's going to prevent there being a lot of extra fabric. You totally can use a true to size. In fact, I'll show you that as well. So first thing we're going to do is, I have the long side toward me because I want to have layers on the outside, but you can do it the opposite way. We're going to loop this over our neck, just kind of loosely, because we have to get these in this middle buttonhole. So you're going to make sure you take your strap from the opposite side. You do need at least one buttonhole for this to work best in the center, but after that you don't necessarily need a second buttonhole. And then I don't want to take this across in front of me, that would look a little silly. Put that other strap, and I like to put them through like the side facing me out, so I can pull those straps further out. So both straps through that little buttonhole back there. And then you're gonna pull like snug. You're gonna pull them out so that it pulls it up. Kind of get this situated where you want it to be. This is a junior mini that I have on from Darn Good Yarn. Okay. And sometimes you kind of have to wiggle it around, get it situated the way that you want. And then I like kind of having this little fold. You can do a couple things. You can leave this out and you can have some kind of ruffles here, and then you could tie here to cut that tag off if you do that, or you can kind of fold them in like a little vest. So earlier I had the ruffles out, now I'm folding them in so you can see the two different styles there, and then just making a little bow at my waist. You could just do a knot. You could put a belt over this, really bring the look together, right? One of those wide elastic belts. So here you go. Now you have a mini as a vest, a very cute vest, I might add. So fun little vest here. Now I did size down to see the difference when you use true to size. Let me grab that real quick. Okay, I didn't have it handy. True to size, this is a regular mini, same thing. We're gonna bring those, I'm gonna loop it in front. Make sure you put them behind. Make sure you put your straps behind. If you do this little thing and then you stick it through, then your arm's like stuck and it doesn't work. Trust me, I've done that before. So get your straps back here and put them through that center button loop. Now this is gonna be a little bit closer to like the high-low look, where it's gonna be higher in the front, lower in the back, because we've got just extra fabric that we're dealing with when you use a true to size skirt for the vest, but you can still definitely do it. So again, we got both those straps through that middle button loop, and you're gonna hike it up, and you're probably gonna have more of the skirt up on your shoulders for this. Otherwise you get like a whole bunch of extra armpit room, which we don't necessarily need. And again, kind of have to look at my mirror here to get that situated. So you can leave the ruffles out if you want, but I'm gonna tuck mine in. I'm gonna kind of tuck the ruffle in there, just kind of rolling it in so there's just not as much fabric hanging out. So still super cute, still totally works as a vest. You just have more, you have like the skirt goes up behind your neck versus the strap starting lower when you size down. But you can totally do it with either true to size or sizing down. And that's a mini as a vest. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll be back next week with more. That's a wrap.